Ready? Can you call baby Cooper?
Yeah. Let's ask for baby Cooper.
Yep. Can you say, happy birthday, Cooper?
Da. Birthday to you. Phone away.
Yeah, you want to put the phone away? Okay, say, hi, Cooper. I love you. Hi, Cooper.
Let's see him.
You want to see him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see him. See him. See him.
Okay. Bye-bye, Cooper. Are we going to go see Cooper next week?
Yeah.
And go visit on vacation?
No Cooper.
More Cooper?
Yeah.
Oh, that was Sasha. All right. Happy birthday, Cooper.
Let's go see him.
You want to see him?
Yeah.
We want to see him too.
Let's see him. Let's open it.
Open it?
See him.
Can we sing happy birthday to Cooper first?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Birthday to you.
You're a little wild. Okay, bye-bye, Cooper. You want to say bye-bye?
No Cooper.
More Cooper?
Yeah.
Okay. Next week we'll see more Cooper.
My Cooper.
Yeah.
Mom, I said more baby Cooper. Baby Cooper. Baby Cooper. Baby Cooper.
You gonna put the phone away? All right.
Bye, Cooper. Bye-bye, Cooper.
Bye-bye, Cooper.